Hello everyone, welcome back to Owen's Treats. And for today's episode, we'll be making confetti squares. My grandma used to make this recipe and she would color her own version of Cathedral window cookies. I really like this recipe because it involved rainbow marshmallows, and I don't know about that, but that just sounds like a lot of fun. For our ingredients, we have 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of peanut butter, a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1 bag, which is 10 ounces of rainbow marshmallows, and then we have ham cooking spray. This is a super simple recipe. It's really only 5 ingredients, and for most of this recipe, we are going to be using the stove. So to start, we are over by the stove, but we have a large saucepan, and so we're going to do this over heat, so be careful. We're going to turn our heat on low. And we're going to take it off the heat. And we're going to make sure that it just does not stick to the bottom of the pan. That will burn the chocolate chips. You're going to let your chocolate chip mixture rest for about 5 minutes. So now that we have our chocolate chip mixture and dough, then we're going to add in our marshmallows. So we're going to take some ham cooking spray, and we're going to spray our pan, and then we're going to put it into our pan, and so then we're going to spread our mixture evenly into our pan. So now that we have our mixture into our pan, we're going on some fresh marshmallows, and you can cover up the mess underneath. And then we're going to allow this to cool in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes, just until the bars are set and that the chocolate cools completely, so then you can kind of cut into them. Here is our finished confetti square, and with that, thank you guys for joining me in another episode of Owen's Treats. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!